Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today I'm answering a question that came in as a comment on one of our videos. It is by Shafana and she asks, is there any use of being a PMI member other than the exam discount? So this video that she made a comment on was on the PMI ACP certification. So if you are a PMI ACP aspirant, what benefit do you get by getting yourselves the PMI membership in addition to the discount on the exam that you're obviously going to get? Well, there are a lot of advantages and benefits of being a PMI member, and that's what I thought I'll talk about in this video today. So let me share my screen. This is the PMI membership page, and here it talks about how there are over 700,000 project professionals that are their members basically. So obviously a lot of people are active members of PMI. And by the way, I always support getting yourselves the PMI membership. I always tell everyone that getting yourselves the membership will offer a lot of benefits, not just for your benefits of the exam in terms of the discounts that you get, but also the kind of connections you can make. And that's something that I will come to on this page itself, as they have listed the benefits here. Here's a long list of benefits that you get. The first one, they talk about the PMI Infinity. This is actually a new tool. You can think of it as a chat GPT for project management that PMI has rolled out. So you get access to PMI Infinity. They call it the AI powered assistant for project professionals. So if you're preparing for any of the exams, you can obviously chat with this tool and get your doubts cleared. You want to get better understanding of any of the topics, you can ask this tool about that. As I said, it's like chat GPT just for project management, rolled out by PMI. Then there's obviously free download of the PMBOK guide. Now if you're preparing for the ACP exam, you don't necessarily need the PMBOK guide, but what you need is the book that is relevant to ACP, that is the Agile Practice Guide. And that's also something that you can get for free if you are a PMI member. So this is the page about PMI ACP. And if you actually come down here, you will see that Agile Practice Guide is actually free for PMI members. So that's again another advantage that you get in addition to the PMBOK guide if you want that. Obviously, there are discounts on the PMI certifications. Even for renewals, you get discounts if you are a PMI member. This is what I was talking about when I said that you can get a lot of good connections, right? So there's PMI events, you get discounts on PMI events. It could be training, it could be virtual events, it could be chapter meetups. There are several chapters across the world of PMI. So obviously there's a lot of networking opportunities, and all of this comes to you at a significantly reduced cost. Now, I know what you might be thinking. We are PMC Lounge. We have our own YouTube channel, and there's a membership option on that YouTube channel as well. So instead of trying to sell the YouTube membership of my YouTube channel, why am I trying to sort of sell the PMI membership? Well, there are two reasons for it. Number one is I am only answering a question that came in as a comment. So my focus is always to serve people that comment on our videos, that reach out to us on our social media or emails or whatever, right? So the question was about PMI membership, so I'm talking about PMI membership. And secondly, as I mentioned earlier, PMI membership is something that I totally support. It's something that I see benefits and advantages in. So it's definitely something that you should get. I'm not getting a single dollar out of it if you get yourselves the PMI membership. This is definitely not a sponsored video. Since we are talking about PMC Lounge and since we are talking about the membership that we have, I would like to sort of pitch that in a bit as well. Here's our YouTube channel, PMC Lounge, right? So when you click on join, you get what all we offer if you join our channel. So you can get loyalty badges in front of your name. You can get access to premium project management courses that we have, which is available just for members. There are collaboration opportunities. You can get featured on the PMC Lounge channel. You can get access to me if you want to discuss PMP or other certifications, your project management career, anything. That's something that's available to you as part of our Lounge Access program. And all of this is included in the VIP pass that you can get. Obviously, there's priority reply to comments. Obviously, there are a lot of member shoutouts. So those are the kind of stuff that you can expect if you take our channel membership. But as I was mentioning earlier, we are talking about PMI membership here. So let's focus on that again. You also get discounts of up to 30% on online courses. So there are a lot of courses that PMI offers. There are a lot of opportunities to get yourselves the PDU as well, which will be required for you to renew your certification. So you will get discounts on that as well. You can get free access to some of the most revered business publications on the planet, and we are talking about their reports, their exclusive content that they keep rolling out. PMI keeps rolling out, and that's something that you will get free access to. You can also get premium project management tools and templates. They've listed 1,000 plus customizable forms and ready to go templates, checklists, project plans, and presentations. All of this is available on projectmanagement.com. If you are a PMI member, you get access to all of this. You also get unlimited access to premium on-demand webinars. Again, these are going to help you with staying abreast with what's happening in the world of project management. And in addition to that, these can also get you some PDUs that can be used to renew your certifications. And then there's PMI salary survey. This is again a report, earning power project management salary survey. You get access to this as well, which shows how much project managers are making across the globe in different countries. So those are all the benefits that you get if you are a PMI member. If you still don't want to get yourselves the PMI membership, I would highly urge you to consider the PMC Lounge YouTube channel membership. You get a lot of exclusive benefits and perks there as well. That's all that I had in this video. If you have any questions, definitely comment on this video. I try to get back and answer as many comments as possible. And if I feel that a comment can help others as well, I respond to that in the form of videos like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.